To begin with, let me first start by explaining what apparent dip actually is. The apparent dip is the inclination of the geological beds as seen from any vertical section that is not perpendicular to the strike of the geological beds. So note that in any case where a vertical cross-section is perpendicular to the strike of the beds, the inclination seen in the cross-section is called the true dip. However, this isn't very common. So explained another way, the apparent dip value is likely to be the observed slope of the object, such as bedding, measured in the field. This is because the true dip of an object must be measured exactly perpendicular to the strike of that object. And if the vertical cross-section is not exactly perpendicular to the strike of the geological beds, you will only be able to measure the apparent dip. Now, let's have a look at some of the tool sets available within Visible Geology. Within the Visible Geology toolset, the apparent dip feature will let you add various strikes, dips, and compass bearings in order to observe their interactions. This feature will allow you to understand the fundamental principles of apparent dip. For instance, if you need to project an in-field collected measurement to a cross-section, you will need to calculate an apparent dip. Using the angle between the strike of an object, such as the bedding measurement, and the compass bearing or orientation of the plane, which is also the strike of the cross-section, you can calculate the apparent dip value required. Alternatively, if you have measured an apparent dip value and you would like to convert that to a true dip value, the calculations provided will allow for that conversion. In the bottom right-hand side of the screen, you can see the calculations that are being used for this conversion. Thank you very much.